asking, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Just a quick stop at Cliff's End, guys, just the other side of Skye. Nice park up down there. Just looking at the Viking replica ship here at Ramsgate. Lovely. I should have been a Viking. Sailing the seas, pillaging, and all the good stuff they get up to. The Viking ship at Ramsgate. Looking out at the estuary there, guys. Out to the North Sea. Right, we're heading down towards Dover and Sandwich. I could do with a sandwich. Lovely. Need to find some gas as well. Let's crack on, guys. Hail Valhalla, Odin and Thor. Lovely. Morning, baby. You see something in the edge out there, can you? Let's turn that radio down. Bloody copyright it. Alright, guys, it's about 7:45 in the morning on this lay-by. It's quite quiet last night, actually. It was lovely. Right, a quick coffee stop at Whitemills, Wake and Aqua Park, guys. This place looks pretty cool, actually. We'll have a quick look round, eh? But this is nice in the summer. I would like to have a splash about in there. That'd be cool. It's quite nice today, actually. It's not too cold. And it's empty, absolutely empty. Right, let's go and have a look at these guys ski jumping. Lovely. What a lovely place this is. A cafe. Somewhere to have a picnic. Somewhere for the kids to splash about. Lovely. You've got this ski pulley system here, guys. There's a couple of guys going around, whether they're doing a jumping today, I don't know. But Skye's loving it. The colour of that water. Beautiful.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like
for parties and kids' parties, water parties. What a lovely place. Never seen nothing like this. It's pretty cool. Nice to have a go at that skiing. Not sure about the jumping now. This guy's not jumping, he's just going around in circles. Guys, it's called Whitemills Wake and Aqua Park Wake. I suppose that's something to do with water. A lovely outside restaurant here with lovely cosy seats to sit in. They do food and coffees and lovely jubbly. Watching the skiers go by.
It's blending in with another crowd. When things go wrong, we'll pass the
Mills Aqua Park, and lovely it is as well. It'll be lovely in the summer, eh? Right, it's crack on. I keep stopping at these lovely spots. I have to show you. Right, just had a cup of tea. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's rock on. Right, guys, next stop is Richborough Roman Fort and Amphitheatre. Let's have a look. I can't resist a Roman fort. Anything to do with Vikings or Romans, I'm all over it like a rash. And we've got a Roman fort here that I found on Google Earth. Just come down a country lane and we found it. It's going to have a butcher's. Oh, Van Tucker time again, guys. And what we've got tonight, delights, nice and simple. hot fresh corn. I've just boiled that in water, guys. On the cob, tiger crusty bread, some barbecue chicken. I bought a whole chicken will last me 3-4 days meals. Some salad cream and a drop of the black stuff, because it's that time of day, guys. 10 to Guinness. Lovely. Right, guys, just gonna have a look at this place. Yeah, I'm totally fascinated by Roman history, Romany Britain. There's the fort there, guys. I'm going to have a meander. I don't know what fort it is yet, whether it's a basilica or what. Car park closes at 5. Right, let's go and have a meander. Alright, Skye. It's free to go in, guys, which is good. Most of these Roman forts are, because there's not a lot left of them now. There we are, guys. That's the fort there. It's the Richborough Roman fort and amphitheatre. Oh, don't think I've ever seen an amphitheatre. I've seen quite a few Roman forts and stuff in Suffolk, Norfolk, but this one's an amphitheatre. All the drama happening, guys. There it is there. That's what it looks like. Right, you got the visitor centre there, guys, which is all nice. So maybe you can get a cup of coffee or something in there. Here's the impressive fortress, guys. There's a gateway to the Roman Empire. These imposing walls are just part of the story here at Richmond. Built in 275, 1700 bloody years ago. Wow. These walls were once over 10 metres tall, surrounded by 2 deep ditches and additional defences. Soldiers at the fort protected the vital trade that passed from the Roman province to Brittany. The Romans marched ashore here in AD 43 when they conquered Britain. Richmond soon became a thriving town, welcoming travellers to Britain. Amazing, eh? Amazing what went on here 1700 years ago. Look at those ditches. Upside that lady says pay up or get out. Oh dear. £9 I think they wanted. 9 bloody quid. Don't say nothing about paying on the signs. It's all National Trust or something.
What I'll do?
Oh dear, oh dear. We've got other ways.
We'll sort that one out. Just strolling around the back, behind the hedge, guys, peeping in. They won't stop country. Impressive gatehouse there by the look of it. That's the enclosure there, the amphitheatre. Well, pretty impressive place. This walk goes down into the ditches there. Let's have a look. No, I don't think we can get to it. We're just going down and down here. And the fort's up there, guys. I like to get my metal detector around here, scouting all these banks and ditches, because there's bound to be stuff around here. Anyway, we'll go back. I'll try and stealthily get the drone up from distance and come in and have a look at this place from the air, because I ain't paying 9 bloody quid not to look at a load of bricks. It's not, even though they're maintained, they've been there 1700 years, they're going to be there another 1700 years. You know, I realise they have to contribute to the upkeep, but £9 in winter, bonkers. Ought to be half price at least. Right, we'll crack on, guys. Yeah, we'll get back. I won't put the drone up in the car park because they may complain. You know what these people are like. So I'll just go around the corner, we'll launch it, and we'll bring the drone over the amphitheatre. 1700 bloody years, blimey O'Reilly. But that was full of soldiers and activity. Wow. Right, let's just crack on. Right, we've got a crafted plan. I just looked at Google Earth. Running around the back of the fort, little country lane. park up there. Get the drone up. Hey Skye. We'll get round the buggers. Spot. Just about half a mile away, guys. We'll get the drone up from here. Incognito. Lovely.